Hi, good evening.
Please
Yeah.
introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Amrita and I am the founder of Click Design International. Our company is into the management of exhibition from A to Z service providing for the exhibition to the exhibitors in pan India plus to the abroad locations also.
What do you think are the current trends in the exhibition industry?
Yes, definitely. Nowadays, there are two things which where the complete exhibition industry is moving towards. One is digitization. There are a lot of the approach is moving towards more of digital promotion and the way the innovative ways AI tools are coming in. So this way the promotion and branding are moving on. Second is the sustainability.
Yeah.
What I am thinking as of now, that lot of organizers are focusing on the sustainable solution rather than going along with the traditional way of setting up the booths or because there's a lot of carbon footprints which are getting generated through the exhibitions, although it is creating the employment, but to my understanding, again, from the future perspective, this is leaving a huge number of carbon footprints. So this way the sustainable solutions like reusable things, reusable material for the shows, so towards this the trend is going ahead. So digitization plus sustainability, they are the two key factors for the future.
And how do you think the future is evolving?
Yes, definitely. Future is evolving too much. The number of exhibition you can see around. I am in the industry since 15 years, and I am observing the huge increase in the number of the exhibition. New organizers are coming in, and they are doing very successful. And in fact, they are getting huge support, huge response from the exhibitors or from the company. Even to the organizers to whom I am associated, I am seeing that there are almost 20 to 30% of new exhibitors are coming in. So that shows that the our field, the trade show field, is been taken care very seriously, and now people are taking it as a major promotional activity when it comes to their branding.
How do you see IEIA's role in shaping and supporting the growth?
IEIA definitely a regulatory body. What I would say is, among us, those who are the member of the IEIA, that we are getting a huge support from them. And in the industry, we as a service provider or as a part of the industry, we are not finding ourselves alone. We are in a simple way, if I will have to tell you that we are feeling like there is some guardian committee who's sitting there. They will definitely take care of our concerns, and they will come up and support to us. So this is, and also this meet is getting organized wherein we as a community, we can meet to each other and find out our what is going on, the scenarios. Yeah.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.